Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with Veggie Life. In today's episode, we are going to see how to make Paneer Tikka Masala on a tawa, restaurant style. This is a very simple and easy technique to making Paneer Tikka at your home kitchen. So let's start with marination process first. In a big bowl, I have taken 1 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. To this, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste along with onions cut into quarters. Next, we'll be adding 1 cup of diced capsicum, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, and 1 cup of shredded coriander leaves. Finally, I have taken 2 lemons and cut them into 2 halves. Squeeze the lemon to extract its juice and adding it to the marinade. Cut the paneer into dices and keep it aside. I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of besan and dropped it into the marinade. Now for the authentic flavor of the paneer tikka, I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of mustard oil which I have heated until it fumes out. The fuming out of this oil will help it to remove the rawness in the taste of the mustard oil. Be careful while doing this because the oil might spill on you. Do this as carefully and slowly as possible. With the help of a spoon, mix the marinade together. If you want, you can go ahead and add a bit of red food color. And finally, we shall season the marination with some salt as per your taste. Mix the marinade thoroughly so that all the masalas are evenly distributed. Now that the marinade is ready, drop in the paneer dices into the marinade. Make sure that your paneer dices are of same size and are slightly thicker. Mix well to coat all the paneer dices evenly. Meanwhile, I have taken a small piece of charcoal and lit it on fire. Burn the charcoal until it is red and hot. This will take about 5 minutes. Once you see that the charcoal has started to burn on its sides, take it and put it into a cup. We are going to be using the charcoal to give the paneer marination a smoky flavor. Drizzle some mustard oil on top of the charcoal. Now take a heavy plate and place it on your marination bowl. I have put a rock on top of the plate to stop the smoke from escaping. After about 20 minutes of leaving the paneer to marinate, this is how your paneer will start to look like. You will notice that the top is slightly dried out because of the smoke. Now for the final step, I have taken a tawa and placed it on a stove. Here I have put the flame on a medium heat temperature. Drizzle some oil on top of the tawa and allow it to heat up. I swivel the pan around to evenly distribute the oil, and finally when it is hot, I drop in the paneer dices. Make sure that the tawa is not too hot and is just the right temperature to grill the paneer. Keep shifting the paneer from side to side, making sure that all of its edges are evenly done. Paneer will be ready in about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook the paneer as the protein in it will become more tougher. When the protein becomes tougher, the paneer becomes a little too stretchy when you eat it. With the help of a flat spoon or a spatula, turn your paneer around to make sure that it is evenly cooked on all sides. Once the paneer is done, take it out of the pan and serve it onto a plate. At this stage, the aroma from the paneer is just intoxicating and making me really hungry. Can't wait to have it. So I have taken out the paneer and start to garnish it with some slit green chilies and some mint leaves and some shredded coriander leaves on the top of the paneer. I've also taken a lemon and sliced it into wedges. If you like this recipe, do try making it for your loved ones and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life for more such interesting videos. Bye!